Yes, that was Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelagic country blessed with abundant natural wealth and diverse landforms. Each region reflects the result of geomorphological processes, where natural forces such as erosion, weathering, and tectonic activity continuously shape the Earth's surface.
Hello everyone, my name is Anaya Gauza Fatiha.
My name is Zauki Raudha Eljana.
We are from SMA Pesantren Terpadu Hayatan Thaibah. On this occasion, we would like to introduce you to one of the finest example this geomorphological beauty that can be found in Sukabumi City, West Java, namely Curug Bibijilan. Curug Bibijilan, located in the city of Sukabumi, West Java, on the subcoordinate 7 degree 1 minute 27.8 second south longitude and 106 degree 54 minutes 22.5 second east longitude, surrounded by lush vegetation and limestone formation. This waterfall beautifully illustrates the interaction between water, rocks, and time in shaping a unique landscape. The morphology consists of rolling hills with an altitude of 600 to 800 meters above sea level, covered with humid tropical forest vegetation, including large trees, scrub, mosses, and fern. This vegetation plays an important role in maintaining the water cycle. The roots increase rainwater infiltration, prevent erosion, and keep the Curug Bibijilan flow stable through the year. The cool, humid air in this area supports of the growth of diverse microecosystem around the waterfalls, including mosses, cave insects, and small birds that depend on its constantly wet environment. The close proximity of the waterfall to Bunia Yu Cave enhances both its ecological and geotourism value, as these two sites represent distinct yet connected natural phenomena: an underground cave, endokarst, and a surface waterfall, exokarst.
Beneath the surface, underground water emerges as a permanent spring, forming a gentle stream that flows down the hillside and becomes the source of Curug Bibijilan. Because it originates from subterranean flow, the waterfall's discharge remains steady even during the dry season. As the water plunges from height, its kinetic energy carves into the softer rocks layers below, creating steep cliffs and narrow valleys. Meanwhile, the hardest layer remains intact, forming natural terraces. This process, called vertical and differential erosion, is what gives Curug Bibijilan its distinctive layered cliff. The strong current also transports sediment, sand, gravel, and volcanic rains that gradually polish the rocks along the stream. When the flow slows at the base, heavier particles settle, creating a natural plunge pool. Additionally, the underground water carries dissolved minerals such as calcium carbonate. As the water evaporates, this mineral crystallizes and hardens the cliff walls, a natural process known as chemical weathering and mineralization.
Over time, the landform of Curug Bibijilan continues to evolve. The waterfalls cliff slowly, retreat upstream as erosion deepens the valley, while the eroded materials accumulate downstream to form fertile alluvial plains. Variation in rainfall, tectonic activity, and ongoing weathering continuously reshape this dynamic landscape. Curug Bibijilan stands as living natural laboratory, a terraced waterfall that beautifully reveals how water, rock, and time work together to sculpt the ever-changing face of our Earth.